Not knowing what to use your 2 years Ankara material to do, come I brought something for you. So to do this style on my screen, you just need this method I'm about to show you. The first thing we're going to do is get that material available and get your elastic band. This is a pinless Ankara head wrap, so you can do this without using your office pin. Now, the first thing we're going to do after getting the material is just fold it the way I am doing right on the screen. Watch and see the way I am folding it down. You can see I already fold it into two parts like this. Now, I will go for the second fold now. Okay, that makes it twice I'm folding, and I'll go for another one which is going to make it the third time I'm folding the head wrap like this. So once you are done folding up like this, take the fold through all through, like fold it down, everything down like this, and it's going to look like this. It's going to come in this size. Now you're going to place it from the back of your head, making the material to be on an equal length. Okay, now placing from the back like this to the front. This is the one of the easiest way you can tie your 2 yards Ankara material. So you take it to the front like this and cross it right at the center of your head like this, just like this. And once you have crossed it, you know we have two parts now. The two parts we have, we're going to take one of them and stretch it out just once. It was folded thrice, so you stretch it out once and stretch it to the back like this. Now this is where you need your elastic band. Pick one up and use it to grab the excess like this. Once it is being wrapped and firm, now loosen it a bit and keep the excess underneath, just like this. Make it so neat and clean like this. So once you are done like this, you go to the front and work with the other parts we have left. Now let's see what we're going to do. We're going to stretch this one out finally, like the three parts is going to be stretched out like this, so we have just one like this, and we're going to direct it to the back. So once you direct to the back like this, you're going to fold it like you're folding it into two parts. Yeah. So when you fold into two parts like this, then you are going to go to the edges you have and fold up. Then find a way to secure it, like you turn it in at the back, like you did to the other one we sent to the back. So when you secure the like properly, it is well secured, then we can move to the other side, and we're going to adjust the middle part properly, make it to be on the same level, like the height of the sides are on the same level. So you adjust it and grab the excess at the other angle, just the way you did to the first one, and get it secured at the back. So this is very simple to do. Let's wait for the final look. So I'm here just adjusting. As we all know, if you have been following me, I will always say this: you need to just take your time after tying your head wrap to adjust, because that is when you pop out the beauty of the head wrap. So I'm trying to adjust all the necessary parts, and I'll have my final look to be like this. Okay, and I'll show you the back now. Here is the back. What do you think, guys? Thanks for watching. Bye.